welcome back to my channel. If you are new and just stumbling across my video, then my name is Rayanne Abbott. I'm an interior designer and I do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, cleaning, and vlog style videos. So if you like those types of videos, then I would love for you to subscribe. And with all of that said, let's jump into today's video. So today's video has been highly requested and long awaited. If you watch my videos, then you know I have been taking so long to edit all of the footage that I have. So it's taken me a really long time to actually sit down and film this video for you guys. But I figured that I should do so because I've had a lot of questions about it and I have a lot of people asking where this video is. So I figured that I would just get it done today so that we can get it out there and you guys can figure out how I do my messy bun. So if you would like to find out how I do my messy bun, then I would love for you to continue watching and let's get started. I'm going to do this video once from the front and then I'm going to try to do another one from the side or from the back. I'm not really sure how to get this across in the best way, but this is the exact same technique that Anna Saccone-Jolie, if you watch Saccone-Jolie's, then she used the same technique to make her messy bun, and that is just the exact same way that I am doing it. If you want to see the original video, then make sure to go and check out Anna Saccone-Jolie, because if you know me, then you know that I learn everything from watching YouTube videos. So that is where I learned this technique. Every single time you do this bun, it will turn out different. Every single time. And there are some times where I have to do this bun probably 6 or 7 times before I'll get it right. It's a messy bun, so just keep that in mind. First of all, I just start by bringing most of my hair back, and this is normally the hairstyle that I will do at the end of my wash cycle. So I normally can leave my hair for about 3 days. Then if I don't have time to wash my hair on the 3rd day, I will usually put it up in a bun for the 4th day, and then I usually have to wash my hair regardless if I have time or not. I just start with bringing all the hair to the top of my head, and I like to make sure that this is straight. I'll usually brush some of it up if I want. Depends on how extremely messy I want it or not. And you want to make sure that it is on the crown of your head, so you can see that it's really high up, and you want it to be really high. You want it to be right at the top of your crown. I leave the ponytail on my right arm and pull it over. Now you can see where my hand is, right? So I grab the hair like this and I flip it. You can kind of see that again. So you can see it's in the front. Push all the hair back with your hand and flip it over. So you can see that the band is on this hand and the hair is flipped over. And then I pull it over top. And then I just fluff it out on top. Remember how I said that this hair is going to look different every single time you do it? I just pull the hair around and I'll pull it and put it in the back ponytail because you can see that this is sticking out. So I'll put it inside the ponytail in the back and just tuck it all in, fluff it all out. Sometimes I'll put bobby pins in here just to tie it down, but that is pretty much how I do my messy bun, and I would never leave it this way because it's way too up in the air for me right now, but I will show you again. It's really hard to get this technique across to you because once you get it though, you get it, but it's a hard technique. Everything to the top of your head. Pull this over so that it's in front of the hair. Grab the hair and push it, twist it. See? Now it looks completely different. So this one I will just tuck both of these into the back of the ponytail and continue to fluff. And more stuff will fall out and I just continue to put it back. See? I have no idea if that came across good or not. So I'm gonna try again from a different angle. Ignore my mess. I'm telling you, you never ever get the same bun twice. So I hold it, you can see that it's here, I'm pulling it over. I'm wrapping it so that it's around my hand, it's not twisted yet. You can see my hand is in front of the hair. I'm pushing the hair and twisting my hand and the ponytail, so you can see now that the ponytail is kind of twisted. Oh, you can't see it. And then pulling over the ponytail holder. See, now it's just ridiculous. What is this bun even? So I'm gonna try to show you a top view. I pull all the hair to the top. I'm gonna have this, I'm gonna pull it over. So you can see that my thumb is behind the hair and my fingers are in front of the hair. So then I'm going to twist like that so that the ponytail is twisted and your hand is now holding over top of the hair that you twisted, and then you're going to pull the ponytail holder over that. See, this is what I mean when I have to do a bun maybe 6 or 7 times before I like it. So I have it here. I'm going to pull it over top so you can see where my hand is, my thumb. And I'm going to twist the hair and kind of do like a loop with my hand. And then you have all the hair, you're holding all the hair, and then you bring that over. Hair goes on top of the head so that it's in a ponytail. Bring it over top so that the thumb is behind the ponytail and your fingers are in front. You're going to flip your hand so that your hair is now all holding in your hand and the ponytail is still around your wrist. And then you're going to pull the ponytail over. Fluff it out. And all this stuff that's loose in the front, you want to stick it in the back ponytail. Then to finish it off, I will sometimes just go in and pull some of these pieces out a little bit more, just so that it's a little bit more messy in the front. I like it when there's a little bit of a poof in the front. So that is my messy bun. I hope I got my point across to you. I know that it's kind of a difficult technique. So I just have the ponytail on my right hand. I make the ponytail and then put it around, and I'm holding it in this hand so my thumb is behind the hair and my fingers are in front. Then I twist my arm like this and flip the hair so that it's now all in my palm. And then I put it over like this so I'm holding on, and then I pull the ponytail over into the bun. So it's a little bit difficult. Gonna take a little bit of practice. You never know what it's gonna look like. When this starts to happen, it doesn't work with thick hair, so you need one that's tighter. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial on how I do my messy bun. Let me know in the comments below if you tried it and if it worked. If you do have any more video requests, I would love for you to put them in the comments below. Or you can also DM me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Rayanne Abbott. I will leave it right here so that you can see it. I would love for you to follow me on Instagram. That is where I put most of my YouTube updates. So whenever you have a new video, whenever there's video requests, that's where I also update on what's happening when I can't update on YouTube. And I hope that this video has helped you with your messy bun. I know that messy buns can be super frustrating. If you did like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.